Here is my stupid mouse again, and the button is not working properly again. So I'm going to replace it with one of these from a brand new mouse. It's a shittier mouse, but I think it would be much better than the old one, which is having problems. So let's see how can we get it out with a primitive soldering iron. Let's see. This one is brand new. Okay. Almost out. You have to be careful not to melt the plastic. Okay. Out. Professional. Okay, let's take off the defective button. Only two soldered legs. Like that. Again, this one and the other one. Easy peasy. So, it should be easy to put it back in. I mean, put the new one in. It's exactly the same, I think. Yes. The same space between the legs. Okay. So let's try not to melt it. That will be interesting. Yes. Yes. This one? Okay. That was too easy. What happened here? And it's still working. That was a short video. Okay, bye.